Hi guys, so I'm here today to give you a review of the new edge control that everybody is hyping about, which is Edge Booster. Now this is the new hype. I got a Sasha scent. Well, I have the Sasha scent. They come in different scents. This is $8. You can find it at your local beauty supply. I'm not sure if Sally's have it. I don't know. What else? The whole game. Do you see what I'm talking about? The whole game is ridiculous. I love it. I'm probably not going back to any other edge control. Bear with me with these baby hairs, because I don't usually fool with the baby hairs. But this no white residue. That's what I'm in love with, and it just holds. It holds. The whole game is good. It's good enough for me. Like if I don't see any white residue from my edge control, I'm in love. And the scent is good. I love it. And this is the aftermath of the hype one. So stay tuned for the video.
So I am starting off with freshly washed hair. Well, a co-wash to be exact, because I don't want to do my bun off dirty hair. I don't know why, I just don't like it. So I'm starting off moisturizing my hair first. I gotta moisturize my entire head, and I'll be using the pink moisturizer. I don't know why, but this is like an old reliable, and I just love moisturizing my hair with it. The next step was to take my oil. Now, I forgot the name of this oil, but I've been using this oil for like months, and I take 2 of those. They're 3 ounces each. I take 2 of those and pour it into a little bottle like I have, and I just use it, put it in my palm, use it all over like that. And this is my favorite brush. I brush all my hair to the front. You gotta make sure the back is looking real nice, my sides nice, everything gotta look nice. Yeah. And the next step will be the Eco Styler Gel. I can say this is my probably 4th container this year. No joke. And I had an even bigger container than that earlier. I just love this stuff. This is the only thing that really holds my hair. I tried every other color Eco Styler, but this one always gets me the look that I'm looking for. Well, give me the hold that I'm looking for, to be more exact. I'm going to take that and put it all over my head. Well, over my edges in the back. And brush it up again. Make sure it's smooth and nice. The waves. Yes, to the waves. The next step here is to grab your hair scrunchie, and sometimes I usually try to tie it up twice and try to make my hair tighter, but this time I'm just gonna put it over my head. I just gotta brush everything up. I'm gonna make my back as smooth as I can possibly get it, and I take the scrunchie and I just squeeze and pull to whatever size bun that I like to have. Now do remember, I am working off damp hair, so when my hair fully completely dries, it will be a huge puff. And right now I'm just kind of fixing everything and primping. Now for the part that we all been waiting for, the edge control. Y'all, I was so skeptical about using this. It smells so good. And I love it even more because there's no residue. I cannot stop saying that because there isn't. Be sure to use a generous amount when applying to your head, of course. You can apply as little or as much as you need. My hair is extremely thick, so bear with me. And here is the finished look. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos like this in the future. Thanks again, y'all.